Hey, what's up, guys? Clay from Epic Tech here. How you doing? Merry Christmas. Today, we're going to be talking about the Oculus Quest 2 and its accessories. Now, you may be wondering, why am I talking about Oculus Quest 2? The Quest 3 just came out. Here's the best part about new tech being released. The old stuff goes on sale. Now, with me being a current Oculus Quest 2 owner, I'm going to snatch up all of those accessories. Well, at least the ones that I haven't snatched up already. So the one accessory I've been waiting to get was a head strap with headphones. And while perusing the internet on Black Friday, like most of us do, I snatched up a Cyber Monday deal from KIWI. It's their head strap with headphones accessories for $55. Usually it's about $79. So I was like, you know what? I'll pull the trigger. I'll get it. And boom, it arrived. Da 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 da. From KIWI. This is going to be the audio head strap with the headphones. Let's do a little unboxing and then we'll test it out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Now, let me preface this. I do have the Elite strap that I got with the Quest 2 originally. I bought the Quest 2 about a year and a half to 2 years ago. This thing has done me well. It hasn't broken. So it's still holding up very well. Just the actual turn dial on the back is getting a little loose, so it's not staying anymore. So this is the whole reason why I got the new head strap. So the biggest problem with the Elite strap from MetaQuest, the official one, is that it's a little loose. Watch this. But that is after a year and a half of use. I do play my VR pretty regularly. Usually every few days I'll play it. And when I'm playing for a few hours at a time. I got that VR cover, so my face never hurts. I'll probably be talking about that in a future video. Now, as you can see, this is the head strap with the headphones. So basically, it'll just plug into your auxiliary jack, your 3.5 millimeter, right on the headset, and then you still have your USB-C port open. All right, let's try to take this thing out without breaking it. Where do I start? Little tip here, if you're going to remove your headset, pull back from here slightly at an angle. So you kind of want to go like this. Boom. And then you got the Elite strap off. Might need to take your face cover off first. finally, we have the ultimate Quest 2. All right, I'm going to try it on here for you. So my first impressions of the actual headset, the headphones are pretty loud, but they don't hurt your ears. So I loaded up VR chat here, and I'm going to play a little music through the headphones. And we're going to test them out at full volume. All right, where is Crab Rave? We're going to play some Crab Rave. Wow, that was amazing. I never experienced VR like that before with the headphones. You know, they're actually, it makes you feel like you're there. I was listening to Crab Rave and VR chat. Oh my goodness. The bass response, the clarity, it was awesome. I will say this, at the very highest volume, they kind of hurt my ears. So that's kind of a good thing. You know, that means you can turn them down. And if you really need to turn them up, you can. You know, there are quiet videos on YouTube you may be watching. So these headphones, head strap by KIWI, you get a 10 out of 10 for me. Oh my God. They're so comfortable too. You know, with the plush head strap here and on the back versus the old Elite strap that I used that only had the rubber and the actual just whatever the heck you want to call that front part, the top strap. I would say definitely go out and buy these if you still have a Quest 2. You know, pimp out your Quest 2 for Christmas. All the Quest 2 accessories, they're on sale. You know, you could buy a fully pimped out Quest 2 for $500, or you could get a Quest 3 stock bare bones for $500. I'm going to pick the Quest 2 that's fully pimped out. I'd rather have the most comfortable experience and realistic experience in VR than a stock experience in VR. So, all right. Thank you very much. This was Clay from Epic Tech. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. And I love you all. Have a good day.